እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች። በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የሂስትሪ ትምህርት ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን እንሰራለን። ለዛሬ የምናየው ሞዴል 3 ፓርት 2 ነው። ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን ለኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ተፈታኞች በቀላሉና በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዙ ጥያቄዎችን እያዘጋጀን እንገኛለን። በተጨማሪም ሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን የያዘ አጋዥ መጽሐፍ አዘጋጅተናል። ከ2000 ምናምን በላይ ጥያቄዎችን የያዘ ከነመልስና ማብራሪያ ጋር ሾርት ኖት ጋር የያዘ ለኢንትረንስ ኤግዛም በቀላሉ እንዲሁም በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዛችሁ መጽሐፍ ነው። እኛም እዚህ ጋር የምናሰራቸው ጥያቄዎች ከዚህ መጽሐፍ ላይ እያወጣን ነው። ይህን መጽሐፍ በሶፍት ኮፒ ወይም በፒዲኤፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ ቤተሰቡ ነው አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለአሁኑ ወደ ቶፒኩ እንለፍ። 26 what was the main source of conflict between the Sultanate of Ifat and the Christian Highland state in the early 14th century? A. Religious difference between the Muslim Sultanate of Ifat and the Christian Highland state. B. Disputes over the succession of the Walasma dynasty in Ifat. C. Personal rivalry between Omar Walasma and Ahmad Sium. D. Control over the territory of Zaila and its profitable long distance trade routes. D. Control over the territory of Zaila and its profitable long distance trade routes ነው። ይሄ ዋናው የኮንፍሊክት ምንጭ ነው ለክርስቲያን እና ለኢፋት ለሱልጣኔት ኦፍ ኢፋት ኮንፍሊክት ወይም ግጭት ማለት ነው። ሶ ኢኮኖሚክ ሪቫለሪ ኦቨር ዘ ኮንትሮል ኦፍ ዛይላ ትሬድ was central conflict religious ወይም ደግሞ religion also played a role ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዋና የግጭት መንስኤው የነበረው የዛይላን የመቆጣጠር ጉዳይ ነበር ማለት ነው። 27 which leader shifted the center of resistance from the Ifat to Harar and began guerrilla warfare against Christian domination in the last quarter of the 14th century? Sultanate of Ahmed Badli, Emir Ali ibn Daud, Hakadin the second and Sadani. D. Ahmed ibn Ibrahim. C. Hakadin the second and Sadadin. So they led the resistance and shifted the base of Harar after Ifat's decline ማለት ነው። ኢፋት ከወደቀ በኋላ ነው ይሄ የተከሰተው ማለት ነው። 28 who found the Holy Roman Empire? Charlemagne, Otto the Great, Julius Caesar, Napoleon Bonaparte. A. Charlemagne. The Charlemagne was crowned emperor by the Pope Leo III in the 800 AD ማለት ነው, establishing Holy Roman Empire. 29 which of the following statement best explains the relationship between the higher lord and lower lord in the feudal system? A. Higher lord provided military protection to the lower lord in exchange for political alliance. B. The lower lord gave a portion of his land to higher lord in exchange for military service. C. The higher lord granted land and fief to lower lord who is return would offer military service and loyalty. D. Both lords entered into a commercial agreement to share profits from the land without any obligation. C. The higher lord granted land or fief to a lower lord or who return would offer military service and loyalty ማለት ነው። ሶ ፊውዳሊዝም was based on mutual obligations ነው። land in exchange for service and loyalty. 30 which explorer was the first to circumnavigate the globe? ክሪስቶፈር ኮሎምበስ፣ ቫስኮ ደጋማ፣ ፌርዲናንድ ማጀላን፣ ዲ ጄምስ ኩክ። ሲ ፈርዲናንድ ማጀላን ነው። ዓለምን የዞረ ማለት ነው አይደለ? ዓለምን እንደዚህ ሞላላ ነገር ነች። ሶ ከዚህ ተነስቶ በጀርባ አድርጎ ዙሪያውን እዚህ የተነሳበት ቦታ ላይ የደረሰ ለማለት ነው። ሰርከምናቪጌት ዘ ግሎብ የሚለው ሶ ማጀላን ሌድ ዘ ፈርስት ኤክስፔዲሽን ከ1519 እስከ 1522 ድረስ የነበረ ሰርከምናቪጌት ዘ ግሎብ ኦልዞ ሂ ዳይድ ቢፎር ኮምፕሊቲንግ ኢት ጆሃን ሰባስቲያን ካን ፊኒሽ ዘ ጆርኒ። 31 which event marked a significant change in the conflict between the Christian kingdom and the Sultanate of Adal in the early 16th century? A. The defeat of Imam Muhammad Barli by Emperor Zara Yaqub in 1445. B. The victory of Lebna Dingle over Imam Mahfuz in 1516. C. The leadership of Imam Muhammad ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi in the early 1520s. D. The consistent upper hand maintained by Christian kingdom until 1527. C. The leadership of Imam Muhammad ibn Ibrahim al-Ghazi in the early 1520. Okay. So the Imam Muhammad ወይም ግራኝ launched extensive military campaigns against the Ethiopian Christian kingdom, marking a significant escalation in the conflict. The Gada assembly known as the chief serves as A. religious council, B. the main decision-making body on the Gada system, C. an economic advisory group, D. a cultural preservation committee. B. a main decision-making body in the Gada system ነው የጨፌ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so the ጨፌ was central to Oromo governance, making laws, settling disputes and directing administration. 33 what significant policy change did Fasilides implement immediately after ascending to the throne in 1632? A. restored the Orthodox faith and expelled the Jesuits. B. continued the expansion of Catholicism in Ethiopia. C. formed an alliance with Jesuits to consolidate power. D. opened Ethiopia to European influence and trade. A. restored the Orthodox faith and expelled the Jesuits ነው የመጀመሪያው እርምጃ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ Fasilides reserved the previous Jesuit influence, reaffirming the Ethiopian Orthodox Church as the state religion. 33 what strategy did Ras Gugsa of the Yeju dynasty use to maintain his power over the northern Ethiopian territories? A. exclusive military conquests. B. establishing trade routes with the southern nations. C. forming only military alliance with regional lords. D. neutralizing opposition through marriage, relations, and diplomacy. D. Neutralizing opposition through marriage, relations, and diplomacy ነው። So ራስጎግሳ strengthened his position politically by marrying strategically and forming alliance rather than relying solely on the force. 35. Which of the following best describes the reason Europeans were interested in Ethiopia and the Horn of Africa in the early 19th century? A. They were solely interested in the spreading Christianity. B. They sought control over the region's strategic position and resources. C. They wanted to establish educational institutions. D. They aimed to promote peace and harmony in the region. B. They sought control over the region's strategic position and resources. So Europeans' power were interested in the Horn for its strategic Red Sea position and resources, especially during the colonial expansion era. 36. Who was the founder of the Almohad movement? Ibn Tumarat, Abdul Mumin, Saladin, Yusuf ibn Tashim. A. Ibn Tumrat. Okay, so Ibn Tumrat was the religious leader and founder of the Almohad movement in the North Africa, advocating reformist Islamic ideology. 37. After the Dutch settlers arrived in South Africa in the mid-17th century, what name did Europeans commonly use to refer to the Khoikhoi? A. Bushmen, Hottentots, Pygmies, San. B. Hottentots. Okay, Hottentots. Europeans called the Khoikhoi ወይም ደግሞ የሆተንቶትስ ተርም ነው ኮንሲደርድ outdated and offensive ነው። አሁን እንደዛ አይባልም ማለት ነው። 38. What was one of the main reasons for opposition against James I and Charles I during their reigns? A. Their implementation of heavy new taxes, which was unpopular among merchants and Puritans. B. Their support for the faith, the French in the Hundred Years' War. C. Their effort to promote the Presbyterian Church over the Anglican Church. D. Their policies that greatly benefited the English peasantry at the expense of the nobility. A. Their implementation of the new heavy tax ማለት ነው። Okay, so James I and Charles I faced opposition because of the unpopular taxes such as ship money የሚባለው ማለት ነው, which angered merchants and peasants. 39. Who were the leading figure of the Enlightenment in A. Diderot, Montesquieu, Voltaire, and Rousseau. B. Newton, Galileo, Kepler, and Copernicus. C. Shakespeare, John Milton, Black. D. Napoleon, Lewis. A. Diderot, Montesquieu, Voltaire, and Rousseau. Okay, so These French thinkers were central to the Enlightenment, promoting reason, human rights and social reforms ያደረጉ ናቸው እነዚህ። 40 which famous document declaring the colony's independence from the Britain was adopted on the July 4, 1776. Is the Bill of Rights, the Federalist Papers, the Constitution, the Declaration of Independence. D. The Declaration of Independence. Okay, so this document formally declared the certain American colonies independent from the Britain. 41 which one of the following is true about the 14th Amendment of the American Constitution? A. It assured the eradication of slavery. B. It allowed the rights of citizenship for the slaves. C. It granted the right of vote to the slaves. D. It permitted the right of holding lands to the slaves. B. It allowed the right of citizenship for the slaves. Okay, so the 14th Amendment የሚባለው in 1868 granted citizenship to all persons born or naturalized in the United States, including the former slaves የመጀመሪያዎቹን ባሪያ የነበሩትን ሁሉ መብት የሰጠ ማለት ነው። 42 one of the following is incorrect about the inclusive definitions of the Eastern occupation. A. It was meant what would happen to the Ottoman Empire in the Balkans elsewhere. B. Economic and political competitions within the great European powers. C. The liberation struggle of the Balkan states to achieve independence from the domination of the Ottoman Turkey. D. It was the Balkan states' ambition to be united as a single Balkan state by the help of European great powers. D. It was Balkan states' ambition to be united as a single Balkan state by the help of the European great powers ማለት ነው። So the Eastern Convention refers to European concerns over the decline of the Ottoman Empire and its impact over the balance of power ማለት ነው። 43 for about 3 centuries the illegitimate trade in humans had dominated in the commercial activities in the coastal areas of East Africa, West Africa, North Africa, Central Africa. B. West Africa. A. West Africa. Transatlantic trade considered the illegitimate trade mainly involving the West African coastal regions. 44 which one of the following is true about the trading items of palm oil? A. Major export items in West Africa by the middle of 19th century. B. Major impact item in the West Africa by the middle of 19th century. C. Major manufactured goods in West Africa by the middle of 19th century. D. Major domestic trading items within the Africa during the 19th century. A. Major export items in the West Africa by the middle of the 19th century. So palm oil became the key export commodity in West Africa after the decline of slave trade. 45 the legitimate trade could not bring significant improvements to the majority of West African because A. The goods imported from the Europe could not contribute to the development of African native economies. B. The European merchants in the legitimate trade were unable to dominate both the export and domestic trade of West Africa at large. C. The imported firearms had no negative impact that enabled African rulers to get military might to plunder their own people. D. African traditional craftsmen were highly encouraged by the import of European commodities. A. Goods imported from the Europe could not contribute to the development of African native economies. 46. Which European state took measures the first weekend and gradually abolished the transatlantic slave trade? Portugal, Spain, Britain, Belgium. See, Britain passed laws to abolish slave trade in 1807 and the enforced separation in internationally. 47. The major point of difference between the early and new imperialism was A. The new imperialism, Europeans came to Africa with very developed technology. B. In early imperialism, Europeans were equipped with efficient firearms to easily conquer African people. C. The new imperialism, Europeans lacked appropriate means of communication to control Africa, particularly the interior. D. Both the new and early imperialism, Europeans were unable to use efficient firearms. A. The new imperialism, European came to Africa with very developed technology ነው። ቴክኖሎጂካል አድቫንስመንትስ ወይም ሜዲሲን፣ ፋየርአርምስ፣ ትራንስፖርቴሽን የሚባሉት ሜድ ኒው ኢምፔሪያሊዝም ሞር ኤፌክቲቭ ማለት ነው። 48. Which one of the following is true about African initiative and resistance against colonialism? A. Africans welcome to the European colonizers were uninvited guests in Africa. B. The colonial powers employed fair treaties to extend their control of the continent. C. Africans reacted to the colonial aggression via peaceful and violent methods. D. When treaties failed, Europeans returned back to the Europe for more preparations. C. Africans reacted to the colonial aggression via peaceful and violent methods. 49. The attempts made by Africans to stop European colonization were unsuccessful due to the following reasons, except A. African against European invaders were not well organized. B. Europeans had superiority in military training and quality of firearms. C. Europeans were unable to mobilize Africans against fellow Africans who were determined to fight them. D. The only successful anti-colonial struggle in Africa was that of Ethiopia. C. Europeans were unable to mobilize Africans against fellow Africans who were determined to fight them. Okay, so Europeans successfully exploited divisions among African groups in many cases. Okay, 50. who was the first leader of anti-colonial struggle against Western colonization in Sudan? Samora Touré, Khalif Abdullah, Mohammed Ahmed, Mustafa Kemal. ሲ መሐመድ አህመድ ነው። መሐመድ አህመድ ወይም the Mahdi led to the Mahdist revolt against Anglo-Egyptian rules in ሱዳን ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ፓርት 2 በዚህ ጨርሰናል። ሌሎቹን እንቀጥላለን። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ከአጋዥ መጽሐፍ ነው እያሰራን ያለ ነው። ይሄኛው አጋዥ መጽሐፍ በርካታ የሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን ከ2000 በላይ የሚሆኑ ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን እና መልሶችን ከነ ማብራሪያ ጋር የያዘ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ጋር የያዘ መጽሐፍ ነው። የመጽሐፍ ኢንትራንስ ለምትፈተኑ ተማሪዎች በአጭር ጊዜና በቀላሉ ለፈተና እንድትዘጋጁ የሚያግዛችሁ መጽሐፍ ነው። መጽሐፉን በፒዲኤፍ ለማግኘት እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡ አድራሻዎች ጻፉልን። ለዚህ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰቡን አብረን እንቀጥላለን። ለሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።